Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup on OPPO K13x. Alright, so let's begin. Let's open up our settings first. Okay, right in here, and let's scroll down into the bottom. Now click on System and Update, and click on Backup and Reset. Now, we have two methods of the backup. Let me show you both of them. First, let's click on Backup and Migrate. When it comes to the clone phone, I don't know why, maybe only in my case it doesn't want to work, or maybe it works only with two OPPO phones. Because basically when we click on that, we would like to click that this is the old device, and we want to send data from this device into another as a backup. But unfortunately, when I'm downloading the clone phone app on any other device, I only can send data on a second device. I cannot receive, so I don't know why. It doesn't want to work, but don't worry. For example, when you are setting a phone, then this option works, so don't worry. Below we have the local backup option. It works, so click on New Backup. And now let's wait a few seconds. Okay, also when it comes to the local backup, you need to remember about it that when you reset your phone, this backup will be lost because it's stored in the storage of your device. So for example, if you want to avoid that, you can transfer your backup into a PC or a USB storage drive to avoid that. Or you can use the last method that I'm going to show you, and it's the Google backup, which is, in my opinion, is the best one. Okay, now we want to select data that we want to copy. I want everything to be copied except those apps. So then click on Start once you have selected everything. Wait until your backup is finished. In my case, it's already finished, and it's stored right in here. It has been saved. So remember about the things that I have told you. And now let's go back and let me show you the Google backup, which is the best in my personal opinion. So let's click on the Google backup and let's discuss a few things that we need to remember. So under the account storage, we have our Google account that we are currently logged into. And on that account, our backup of our OPPO will be stored. So for example, if you want to restore that backup, the data of this phone later, on any other device, or maybe on that device even, you need to be logged into the same Google account that you can see right in here, on your device, of course. It is really important. Alright, also let's make sure that Backup by Google One is enabled. And when it comes to the backup details, in here you have a list of things that will be backupped. Alright, also make sure that you have some free account storage space to create your backup. Once everything is selected, click on this button, Backup Now. Now the process will start. Under the backup word, the thin bar should appear any second now. Okay, here it is. And it's starting slowly to fulfill. When it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully made. Also, you will see a notification on the bottom of the screen that everything went fine. So now let's simply wait until everything gets backupped. Alright, my backup has been successfully finished. We can see that it was made 2 minutes ago. As we take a look on the hour, it's true. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.